Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today we're going to talk about one tweak and one single tweak, and I'm going to show you guys how to get live video wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper. So I made this video before a few weeks ago, and I mentioned this tweak, but it seemed like people having a hard time getting these and downloading and how to get this on your device. So that's why I am going to make this separate video for just live wallpaper on your device. And you have to be jailbroken to do this, and if you're jailbroke, your phone, iPad touch, anything that is jailbroken, you can do this. It's really easy, it's really simple, and I'm going to show you guys and how to get it, where to get it, and everything. So before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. So now the tweak that we are talking about is, let me show you guys in my Cydia. It's called right here. It's been a couple days since I downloaded, so this is the tweak right here. It's called frame. Now the frame tweak, this is the tweak that you have to download. As you guys can read right there, it says bring your iDevice to live with true video wallpaper. So if you're jailbroken, you have to download this, and it is from the zx02.frame repo. I'm gonna list the repo and the package name in the description below, but I want you guys to please watch the video all the way to end so you guys don't miss anything. So once you guys download this tweak called frame, and what do you want to do? You want to come back to your settings, and once you're in the setting, you go to tweaks and you find the frame right there. So this is the interface, as you can see. And now what we're going to do, we're going to enable it, and once you enable it, all you have to do, only the option you need to enable is the first one, and that's it. And then you want to do is you want to go to choose wallpaper right here. So once you come to the choose wallpaper option, and then you can click and have your own video, like your personalized video or file, or you can go to catalog right here. So once you go into that, you have the access to all these different videos and wallpapers right here, and they all live. It's like 30 seconds to 1 minute long videos, and you can set as your wallpaper right on your device. So you can see all these, there's so many of them. And if we scroll right there on the bottom, and you guys have the latest, you have recommended, you have the landscape, you have this one. So you guys can see it's so many of them all the way. So now I'm going to pick random right there. So you have these, and then scroll down and you select on this, you have all these. So let me show you guys how to get it. So let's say we're gonna click on this one right here, and you click on that picture, and then you can see a preview or you can download. So first we're gonna do a preview if you want to see how it's gonna look on your device, and then you can apply to your. So as you can see right here, you have the play button right there. So you hit the play button and it give you little animation, and that's how it's gonna look on your screen. So if you want to download, simply you click on this again and hit download, and it shouldn't take that long to download. And there you go. The minute I hit download, and you get the option if you want on only on lock screen, home screen, or both. So I think I hit the lock screen. So if we swipe down from the status bar, you can see we got that video. So right now, because I just drag down, and it will take the effect, the live effect gonna be when you lock your device. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this option right here. As you guys can see, there's more animation, more stuff. There's a lot of stuff. So now there's more right here. There you go. There's so many, like right there. So now the one that I love on my phone, I'm going to show you guys. I think it's this one. So you scroll all the way down. Nope, not that one. Not that one. Games, no. I think it is the animated. If we scroll all the way down. There you go. Nope, it's not in that one. So scroll on this one. I just downloaded a few days ago and I found one, this one right here. So as you guys can see, there's no download button because I already downloaded this before. So all I have to do here is set and then set both, and bam, right there you guys can see it is on my home page. And this is really nice, really colorful, and this it got dancing mode and, like, you know, really nice theme, really nice background, as you guys can see. So that's how you do it, and it's really simple, really easy. It's not that hard. All you have to do, download the right package from right source, and then you have the you can customize your device the way you want. So if you guys have any comment, or you guys have any concern or any question, let me know in the comment below. So I will try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. But yeah, this is because a lot of people ask me, a lot of people send me the message, and that's why I decided to go ahead and make a video on this, how to get this on your device. So if you guys like it, please subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss any video in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.